Welcome to Vidya Vaibhav Public School. The first topic we are going to see is fruit. This is for the month of August. So now just draw a curve, half curve, and slantly reverse draw other half circle little big. So while connecting the two lines, it's not to be work like this. It should connect properly together with proper shape. Okay. Then draw a small stem and a leaf. Did you find which fruit is? Yes, it's a pear. Pear will be in a light green color. So color it very lightly. Don't do it dark. You can use wax crayons or color pencil. If you started your coloring from left to right, you should follow till you complete the coloring from left to right itself. Or if you started from down to up, you should follow in the same direction and angle. Make sure that you will not go out of the line. You will be coloring inside. So do it very lightly and very careful. You should use a light green because pear will be in the color of light green. We have lot of vitamins. It will give more minerals to you. You will be so healthy. So it will be flavor of like a apple only. It's a family of apple. Pear will be the family of apple. Then next for the stem, I'm coloring a brown color. Then for the leaf, I'll use a light green but not very lightly, little dark than the fruit color. Yes, this is how it's look now. The second topic we are going to learn vegetable. This is for the month of August. So draw like an U, letter U, very big and fat. Then in the center draw one leaf, left side one leaf and right side one leaf, and draw slightly a stem. So this is eggplant, a family of brinjal. Okay, so now you should color a purple color. Okay, color it very lightly. So you can use pencil, wax crayon or a plastic crayons. Please don't use a oil pastels. Clear? You should color very lightly. Yes, color it very lightly. See here, I'm not going out of the line. I'm coloring very slowly and neatly. Even you should do very slowly and neatly like this. Yes, here the color is completed. Now I'll take a dark green color and I'll fill the leaf which is there like that. I'll color it very clean and clearly. Completely for all. Yes, this is eggplant brinjal. The third topic here we are going to learn a photo frame. This is for the month of August. And now a newspaper, glue and a scale. These are the material. So using a scale you can tear a page like this. Please don't use a scissor. You can use a scale and you can tear the page like this. See how I am holding and I am tearing a page, the newspaper. Then you should cut in the different size of strips. There is no any size or particular centimeter, you can use it. So now I am folding into half, and again I am folding into half. I want this frame, it's like very thin and it should look like cute, so I am making it very thin. Then the next strip also I'll do the same, half and other half. Yes, now frame strips are ready. We are going to use these two. The other two you can keep it aside. So fold into half. Where the mark is there, open it and don't tear like this. You should use a scale and tear half and half. Okay, same way you use it for other strip also. So again I am folding into half and again hold a scale, and remove the rest half. So we got a frame properly. See, this is how it looks. So we should use a glue and we should fit like this. So while using a glue, use it very carefully. Please take a help of your elders to apply a glue. Just you can give some dot. Don't pour more glue. Just some dots or one line like this is enough. So paste it properly in the center of the page. So you should see, repeat the same method for all the strips. It should look like a photo frame. I am using here the other side of the paper frame because to make sure that the height of the frame is right, and to find where I should stick the bottom part of the strips. See, now it's not going like up and down or cross and other things. It's look like good and it's look like a proper square. Yes, here are four corners of the frame. Four sides of the frame is ready. So take your passport size photo. Apply a glue back side and stick it in the center. And take a pencil, will decorate it, the frame. Just draw some flower in the all the corners of the frame. How I am doing here. It's not that you should use a same type of flower. You can do it different also, but flower is required in all the corners. And then a wave line in all the sides. You can decorate it the frame outside how you like. Here I draw some flowers leaf. Then again small tiny flowers I'll do. So after completing the drawing for the complete sides of the frame, I'll color it. So you can color with your favorite colors. For the leaf, I'm coloring here a green color. And for the wave line also, I'll give a green color like this. And color all the flowers. You can do different colors also. Here I'm using a purple color. And I'm using other color also, red. So finally this is how it looks. So I'm filling in a background where we stick the background photo. For the background it's look like plain, so I'm coloring here, it's a blue color. You can go with any color. Here I'm giving a blue color. So this is how it's look finally. The first topic is a fruit. Next we learned a vegetable. And the third we learned a photo frame. Thank you.